It looks like Banele is forcing himself on Sanele's board and Sanele can't do fuck all about it. So Banele returned using Sanele's board and shook things up in his family and on Zama. And I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I need to request you guys to like it. And if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. The few past episodes of Ithonga got so interesting that I had to watch it twice. And I think we need to give Bongo Khoza his flowers while he is still relevant. The guy is really good. Him making Banele and Sanele to feel like two different people can only be done by a few actors in South Africa, even in the world. The way he transitions from Sanele to Banele is just so exciting. So in the past few episodes, he started talking like Banele. And when I thought I was shocked by all of that, he started sleeping in Banele's bed, acting like Banele, which got the whole family worried and us as viewers excited. But ngiyakubona lokho. What became more interesting was when he started dressing like Banele and Banele's car was brought back. He drove Banele's car and immediately turned into Banele. He went to see Zama, and at that point, everyone was convinced that Banele was back, only to get disappointed when Sanele came back to his senses and rejected everything that had to do with Banele. He told Zama that he doesn't want her and that he only loves Zama, his fiancé, which left Zama crying and Sanele going back to his fiancé Umbali. And to cut the story short, Sanele decided that he's living his new life and going back to being Usanele again. And I must say, this telenovela looks interesting. I hope that the producers will continue giving us such plot and that they won't run out of ideas along the way. So ladies and gentlemen, do comment in the comment section. Let me know what do you think about this Sanele and Banele transition. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.